Guide to Answering Exam Essay Questions. This short guide gives simple hints that can make the difference between failure and success at that critical time when perfect organization and clarity are needed. It is the beginning of a regular series of demand-driven tips and hacks that I will present to my audience in the coming days, so stay tuned. My name is Simon Waddy, and I have been teaching at postgraduate level for the past 13 years. I found that many students fail to adequately answer essay questions not because they do not know what is required, but because of being disorganized, disoriented by the exam setting, failing to plan adequately, and not utilizing their time appropriately. They end up presenting incoherent mumble-jumble, unable to complete the exam in the allotted time. This guide could alleviate that. Post-A-level exams usually consist of 4 essay questions to be completed within a period of 3 hours. It is imperative to allocate your time wisely and equitably. 1. Read the questions carefully to understand what is required of you. Approx 5 minutes. 2. Plan out your essay outline. Approx 10 minutes. A. Note down your memory joggers for key points in bullet form. 3. Write the actual essay, paying attention to grammar and spelling. Approx 25 minutes. A. Give a clear and concise introduction, explaining key words in context. B. Link your arguments together and stay on point within the scope of the question. Remember, everything you write must be answering the question, ATQ. C. Give relevant examples that significantly advance your arguments. D. Summarize your essay in relation to the requirements of the question. 4. Proofread your essay. Approx 5 minutes. If you like these tips, then smash the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Also, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Suggest areas where you may need further tips.